Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be modeling this 3D chair in Blender. Press Tab and go to Edit Mode. Select these two faces and delete them. Press A to select everything, then right-click and choose Subdivide. Select these two faces and move them down. After that, select these two edges and move them backwards. Go back to Object Mode and add a Subdivision Surface modifier. Set the Levels viewport to 2. Add a Solidify modifier and set the thickness value number to 0.2, then apply the modifiers. Go back to Edit Mode and add an edge loop here by pressing Ctrl R. Then press Alt S to move the edge along the normals. Select this edge, then press and hold Shift, then press Ctrl and left click to select the edges like this. Press Ctrl B to bevel the edges. Set the segment number values to 3. Make sure the faces are selected. Add another Subdivision Surface modifier. Set the Levels viewport to 2. Then apply the modifier and right-click and choose Shade Auto Smooth. Let's go to the Sculpting tab. Go to Face Sets and choose Face Set from Edit Mode selection. Go back to the Face Sets tab and choose Shrink Face Set. Place your cursor on one of the green faces and left-click once. Repeat the process once again. Go to the Brush tab and scroll down and choose Cloth Filter Brush. Change the gravity to inflate and check Use Face Sets. Now place your cursor on one of the green faces again. Left-click and move your mouse a bit on the left side. Place your cursor outside the green faces. Right-click and move your mouse a bit on the right side to do the shrink effect. Change the Cloth Filter Brush to Mesh Filter Brush and change the Inflate to Smooth, then smooth out the object. Go back to the Object Mode and add a cylinder, then scale it down like this. Go back to the Edit Mode and switch to Face Mode selection. Then select this face, press I to inset the face. Press E and extrude the face down. Press E to extrude, then press S to scale. Press E again and extrude the face down. Extrude the face down a bit, then press S to scale the face. Press E again and extrude the face down. Go back to Object Mode, select the object, then right-click and choose Shade Auto Smooth. Add a cube and scale it down. Press G to grab, then Z to move along the Z-axis. Press S and X to scale along the X-axis. Go back to the Edit Mode, then select this face and move it down a bit. Go to the Object tab, set Origin and choose Origin to Geometry. Press Ctrl A and choose All Transforms to apply the scale. Go to the Options tab and choose Origins. Press Numpad 1 and go to the front view. Press G and Z to move the pivot point along the Z-axis. Press Shift S and choose Cursor to Active. To place the 3D cursor on the cube pivot point, press Shift A and add a circle, then adjust the shape like this. Press Tab and go to the Edit Mode. Press F to fill the face, then extrude the face out. Press Ctrl R and add an edge loop here. Switch to Edge Mode and select these two edges. Then press Ctrl B to bevel the edges. press Alt-E and choose Extrude Faces along normals. Select this edges and bevel them. Select this vertices and press Shift-D to duplicate them. Press E to extrude them. Select one of the vertices. Press L to select everything, then press P and choose Selection. Switch back to Object Mode. Then press 1 and go to the front view. Switch to Wireframe mode, select this faces and delete. Press A to select everything, then press Alt-E and choose Extrude Faces along normals. Switch to Object Mode. Add a Subsurface modifier, set the Levels viewport to 2. Go back to Edit mode and add Edge Loops here. Add a cube and adjust the shape like this. Select this cube and go to the Edit mode. Switch to Vertex mode, press A to select everything, then press Ctrl-B and bevel the edges. Switch back to Object mode. Right-click and choose Shade Auto Smooth. Select these objects and apply all the modifiers. Now select the chair tire and cover, and press Ctrl-J to join them. Select the chair tire and cover again. Select this small cube and press Ctrl-J. Select the chair tire and the long cube and join them. Go to the Modifiers tab and add an Array modifier. Set the counts to 5. Uncheck the relative offset and check the object offset. Press Shift-A and go down to the empty and choose Plane Axis. Go to the Array Modifiers object and choose the empty as the target. Select the empty and press RZ and rotate on the Z-axis. Thank you very much for watching. If the video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.